Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video we will learn how to draw a girl wearing a hat with the same colored dress. So here we have done with the hairs part also. We'll draw now the face, hands and legs. So here by the easy drawing you have learned, you can draw it in your drawing copy and color it like this. Here we will learn a girl wearing a very pretty frock, or we can say it is a kind of uniform. So here we have done with the outlines of our girl and with the pretty eyes. Here in this video we will learn how to draw a happy girl standing and with her arms up. So here you can see her smile, and we'll go for the t-shirt and shorts and legs, and finally we'll go for the arm part. You can color it with the different color whatever you like, and here it is completed. Here we will learn how to draw a girl wearing a very good dress, or we can say a frock. So with the help of this outlines, we'll color this in your favorite colors. Here we will learn how to draw a doll wearing a beautiful frock. With a frock we can say it is a princess dress. So everyone loves princess dress, and you can color it with your favorite color in this princess dress. You know how to say okay in your hand gestures. So yes, we are learning here how to draw okay sign, and it is called a hand gesture of okay. So here we have done. In this video we will learn how to draw face cut only, the nose, lips and chin. Here we will learn how to draw a cute girl in a uniform who is saluting. So firstly we'll go for the hand, round face, ribbon, shirt and skirt. You can color this with your favorite colors. See how beautiful it's looking. In this video, we will learn a doll wearing a beautiful gown, having a very long hairs, and with pretty beautiful eyes we will complete it. So here you can color it. I will suggest you can color it pink. Here we will learn a Japanese dress. You know, in Japan they love their tradition and culture, so they used to wear these kind of dresses in the normal daily routine. Here we will know how to draw a girl wearing a very beautiful frock with a hair bun we are going, and finally a very beautiful princess dress. In this video, we will learn how to draw a doll with the help of this design, and we'll go for the lower part, that is the hands, and finally we'll go for a nice dress like skirt. Finally, then we'll go for the lower part, which is the shoes. Here you can see it have very long hairs and eyes closed. Thank you for watching our video.